don't you? If you fall, you're a dead woman. Go on, Connor. You love four people. I'm gonna stay.
Wow.
Oh my God, Jim, this is scary.
Hey, Dakota, quit that shit.
Jim, it's not much of the size. But there's not much of the size.
Oh, Lordy.
They're the fall. I guess you're just hold up here. What are you drinking? Oh.
Am I drinking? What are you drinking? This thing is shaky. God almighty. What do you hear? God, this thing is shaking like crazy. These boards ain't impressing me very much. It's got chicken wire holding the damn sides up. It's got chicken wire on the sides of it.
I know, hog wire.
Come on, Scott! Gotta be a little
That is freaky.
Come on, Scott! Why?
Them boards is what I'm afraid of. One of them cracking or something. Go ahead. Shit. Oh, shit.
Got a broken arm.
Hey, quit bouncing. Quit bouncing on the damn thing. Son of a bitch. Look at that board right there about ready to break. Look at that. That board right there about ready to break.
Yeah, you want me to walk across that damn thing? Down on crack.
God damn. That's fun.
Isn't it fun?
Scary but fun.
It's a rush. It's called a rush.
That's somebody.
Come
I've
with
never
me.
been on one that swung that much.
Come with me.
You got a board rotting down there.
She ain't gonna see it. It's older than hell. Is this a public bridge or a private bridge? Or
Freaking broken arm.
is this a public bridge or a private bridge or what is it?
It feels so weird when you run.
My battery's about to die.
Run, Dakota.
Come on, Dakota.
Run. Run, Tara.
Come on, Tawa.
It feels weird when you run.
Let's go, Tawa.
Let's go, Tara. Woo!
Run, That made the whole trip worth it right there.
Yeah.
Dakota said he broke a wood.
That bridge is probably 20
Now that one was warped and it looked like it was about ready to break.
Whatever, it held us all.
I was supposed to hear there was a house there, and I'm like, my feet up.
I wasn't going to go down in the
truck.
I know. I wish I could just whip mine out.
You wish you could whip it out.
Probably got an outhouse up there if it's a construction bridge. You almost said that.
Yeah.
Where they're building that bridge.
I'm married, not going to turn it down.
This river clean. I mean, no trash, debris.